Hello, are you receiving this error every time you play Valorant? With CleanBan here, you can permanently get rid of this. Welcome to CleanBan. Today, I will be showing you how to get unbanned from Valorant. A lot of you may be wondering what CleanBan is. CleanBan is a spoofer that changes the serials of your PC to get on-hardware banned from games. A lot of you may be wondering how CleanBan is able to get you unbanned from Valorant even with the enforcement of TPM. Although we do advise you to purchase your own TPM chip, we do offer a TPM bypass. Now you may be wondering, what is a TPM chip? A TPM chip is a little chip that you're able to put inside of your motherboard yourself that will basically change your TPM serials. Now I will be showing you guys how to spoof and get unbanned. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up proper serial checker. You're going to run it as admin or else it will not work. First things first, you're going to want to take a screenshot of your serial. You're going to want to go here, you're going to go to downloads, and you want to save it to your desktop. Once you have saved your serials to your desktop, you're going to want to open up the CleanBan application. You're going to press on it, and you're going to want to wait 2 seconds, just wait for it to open, and it's going to prompt you to enter your license key. You're going to copy and paste your license key, and then you're going to press enter. Once you have completed the spoofing process, it should take no longer than 30 to 45 seconds. You're going to want to open up the old screenshot of your old serials, and then you're going to run the serial checker as admin again. You're going to wait for it to open, and as you can tell, my serials are completely changed. My motherboard is changed, my SM BIOS has changed, my BIOS number is changed, and that's all that needs to change for Valorant. Once you have finished the spoofing process and you've compared your serials and you've made sure that each serial has changed, you're going to open up Valorant or Riot Client and you're going to install it. Now we're going to wait for it to install. Once you have finished downloading Valorant, it's going to prompt you to restart your PC, so that's what I will be doing now. Once you have restarted your PC, you're going to want to open up Riot Client or just open up Valorant, whichever you want. Now we're going to press play, and we're going to wait. As you can see, no van152 message, nor van5 message. I'm able to load into the tutorial. If it could load, as you can see, I'm able to move around, do the whole tutorial. And yeah, that's all. If you happen to run into any problems, our staff team, management, or owner is very happy to help you and are on contact 24/7.